Customer Thermometer is a popular help desk software, but before you make the decision to buy, there are a few important things you need to know. Many companies consider it for customer feedback, but there are alternatives on the market. Stick with me as we go over the key factors you need to understand before making the purchase and why it might or might not be the best choice for your business. First thing you should know is the ease of use. Customer Thermometer prides itself on its user-friendly interface. You can set up surveys and feedback forms in just a few clicks. If you're looking for simplicity, this is a great option compared to other help desk tools like Zendesk or Freshdesk, which can sometimes feel a little overwhelming for new users. Next thing to consider is the integrations. Customer Thermometer integrates well with tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zapier. If your business relies heavily on these platforms, this can save a lot of time and effort. However, compared to competitors like Zendesk, which offer a wider range of integrations with other CRM tools, Customer Thermometer might fall short if you're using more specialized software. The third thing to know is its focus on feedback collection. Customer Thermometer excels in getting customer feedback through simple one-click surveys. It's perfect for businesses that need quick insights from their customers. However, if you need more in-depth customer support features like ticket management or live chat, you might want to look into other platforms like Freshdesk or Zoho Desk. The fourth thing is pricing. Customer Thermometer is generally affordable, offering plans that are great for small to medium-sized businesses. But when compared to competitors, its features are limited at the basic tier. Freshdesk, for example, offers more features at a similar price point, especially when it comes to support ticketing. Next up is reporting. Customer Thermometer provides some basic reporting tools, but it's nothing too fancy. If you're looking for advanced reporting capabilities, you might find better options in platforms like Zendesk, which gives you much deeper insights into customer satisfaction trends and agent performance. The sixth thing is support options. Customer Thermometer offers good support through email and online resources, but if you're looking for 24/7 support, other platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk might provide more comprehensive assistance. The seventh thing is customization. Customer Thermometer lets you tailor surveys to your needs, but when it comes to deeper customization like branding and workflow automation, it's not as flexible as other options like Zendesk or Freshdesk. Now, the eighth thing is security. Customer Thermometer follows standard security protocols, including encryption and compliance with GDPR. However, if security is a major concern for your company, you might want to dig deeper into the features of platforms like Zendesk, which offer more robust security measures. The ninth thing is the survey completion rate. Customer Thermometer's one-click surveys have a high completion rate, making it an excellent choice for businesses looking for quick feedback. But if you need more personalized survey options, you may need to look into tools like SurveyMonkey that allow for deeper customization. The 10th thing to know is its focus on customer satisfaction. This software is ideal for gathering feedback, but it doesn't offer the same level of customer support or ticketing management features as some of the more comprehensive help desk software out there, such as Freshdesk or Zoho Desk. The 11th thing to keep in mind is scalability. Customer Thermometer is a solid choice for small businesses and startups, but as your business grows, you may find that you need more advanced features and support options. Platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk may offer better scalability for larger organizations. The 12th thing is the trial period. Customer Thermometer offers a free trial, so you can test out the platform before making a commitment. This is great if you want to ensure it fits your needs. But do keep in mind that it's not as flexible as some other free trials out there, like the one Freshdesk offers, which provides more features during its trial. Overall, Customer Thermometer is a good option for businesses looking for simple, easy-to-use feedback tools at an affordable price. However, if you're looking for a more feature-packed solution, I recommend checking out our suggested alternative that you can try for free.